Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Google Nest Cam after migrating to Google Home. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Google Nest Cam after migrating to Google Home, start by ensuring you have the Google Home app installed on your device. Open the Google Home app and sign in with the same Google account linked to your Nest Cam. Locate the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Setup Device in the drop-down menu. Select New Devices to begin the setup process. Choose your home from the list if prompted. The app will search for nearby devices. Wait for it to find your Nest Cam. Once your camera appears, tap on its name to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password when prompted. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the app may ask you to assign the camera to a room. Select an appropriate room or create a new one if necessary. Next, you will be asked to scan the QR code on your Nest Cam. Hold your phone up to the camera lens to scan the code. Once scanned, the app will confirm the connection. You may need to update your camera's settings as per your preferences. Finish the setup by naming your camera and customizing any additional settings. After completing these steps, your Nest Cam should be fully restored and ready for use. Check the live feed to ensure the camera is functioning correctly. You can also adjust motion detection and notification settings within the app. And there you have it, your Google Nest Cam is now restored and integrated into Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.